7624 License Street. We do have a very large mature tree in the front yard. You will need maintenance to clean the area up. Probably. We do have two doggies there in the neighbor's yard. Of course, they barked when I first arrived, but they stopped barking since then. They seem really well behaved. So I don't think they would be a nuisance. You never know. And also they could move. So just pointing that out. So 3 windows in here, I'm including this one, that need 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. The flooring is cheap and not in the best condition, so they are giving a flooring credit. And of course it won't cover the entire cost of replacing the flooring, but you may want to defer that repair for now if possible, if the property manager says that that is an option. Because we already have the granite installed and there is a crack here, but because the granite's already installed, we may not be able to install an undermount sink. We already have the gooseneck. We'll see. I don't think that the property manager would recommend replacing this counter. You can add some silicone in there and just sort of even it out so you don't have any cuts or anything, injuries from that little crack. We do have flat doors in this property and the door handles don't all match. So these are chrome. You might want to remove that. That's pretty dated. We don't have a security bar here. We have a pergola. This would get the morning sun. Carpet looks good throughout the property. Interesting fan. We have lots of stuff on the wall here. I'm not sure if we'd want to remove it and touch up the paint, or just wait until the property needs a total repaint and then handle it then. So we don't have a pan underneath the water heater from what I can tell, but it looks like we do have the earthquake straps. Oh, laundry room, sorry. Okay. It is nice to have the laundry room separate than other rooms so you don't have to walk through it. So we have the master off to the left here with an interesting fan. Carpet looks good. Paint overall is fine. It doesn't feel fresh and new, but it's fine from what I can tell. The cabinets are rough though. So is the light fixture. We do have a large window, but it doesn't look like there's a ton of properties looking directly in, so it's not too bad. We also want to replace all the interior doorknobs that lock. Only 2 of them actually lock, but at that point you might as well all have them matching. Then we have this door and this door right next to it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 doors right next to each other in such close proximity. You might want to just change all of them so they match. Otherwise you could have a really cheap feel We need a shower rod here. We have closet guides on the doors already. Just pointing that out. We have an interesting border along the top here. We don't have a ceiling fan, but we do have closet guides, and the closet rod goes all the way across. We also have smoke detectors. I think that's it.